I fear that I will never see it again.
Lost. I was about 380 feet high.
It's really steep, lots of trees. I'm looking for my drone. I'm looking for my drone. I fear that I will never see it again. Okay, I just was flying the drone here in Berat and crashed. And right now I've got a guy who's helping me with following on this map to see if we can locate it. There is this feature on there called Find My Drone, but it's really steep, lots of trees, and it zigzags. And I'm running out of breath. Fortunately, I'm towards the end of the trip. I'm not sure what footage I'd yet to download.
Okay, it's gone. The drone's gone. I was flying it. I was doing a pull-away shot. You know, there are sensors on this drone that make it, if you run into something, it stops, except only on the rear part of the drone. So I'm doing a pull-away, a backward shot. And sure enough, I thought I was about 380 feet high, but this mountain behind me here is just, I guess, higher than that. I didn't know. You can't see it when you're going backwards. So I've got about 9 more days probably till I start heading home. No more drone. See what kind of footage that I captured on the controller. See if I've got. Anyway, I always download it after every flight. So, but my DJI Mini Pro 3 gone, lost, crashed here in Albania. Shit.
Hey, this is Alan. Thanks for tuning in. Did you like that Albania video? Well, I've got a couple others that I just uploaded. You're going to really dig them. Check them out.